Wonders of France. Bienvenue to the land of romance, history, and culinary delights, France. This enchanting country is home to world-famous landmarks, picturesque villages, and a rich tapestry of culture that captivates travelers from around the globe. In this video, we'll explore the most fascinating places in France, from the iconic Eiffel Tower to the sun-kissed shores of the French Riviera. Whether you're an art lover, a foodie, or an adventurer, France has something to offer for everyone. Sit back, relax, and let's embark on a 4K journey through the wonders of France. Paris, the City of Lights. Let's begin in Paris, the heart and soul of France. Known as the City of Lights, Paris is brimming with iconic landmarks. The Eiffel Tower, standing tall since 1889, offers breathtaking views of the city. Stroll along the Seine River and visit the historic Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Art enthusiasts will be drawn to the Louvre Museum, home to the world-famous Mona Lisa. Don't forget to explore Montmartre, a bohemian neighborhood that inspired artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. From haute couture shopping on the Champs-Élysées to savoring a buttery croissant in a quaint cafe, Paris promises an unforgettable experience. The French Riviera, Côte d'Azur. Next, we head to the glamorous French Riviera, also known as the Côte d'Azur. This Mediterranean coastline is a playground for the rich and famous. Begin in Nice, where the Promenade d'Anglais offers stunning views of the sea. Explore the luxurious Principality of Monaco, home to the Monte Carlo Casino and the Royal Palace. The charming town of Cannes, known for its International Film Festival, is perfect for beachside relaxation. Don't miss Saint-Tropez, a quaint village with cobblestone streets and chic boutiques. The French Riviera is the epitome of elegance and relaxation, a must-visit for sun-seekers and luxury lovers alike. Provence, lavender fields and hilltop villages. In Provence, you'll discover the true essence of rural France. Known for its fragrant lavender fields, this region is a feast for the senses. Visit the Luberon Valley, dotted with picturesque hilltop villages like Gourds and Roussillon. Each village tells a story with charming markets, artisanal crafts, and friendly locals. Provence is also home to some of the finest vineyards in the world. Tour a winery and taste exquisite rose wines. For history buffs, the Roman amphitheater in Arles and the Palace of the Popes in Avignon offer a glimpse into the past. Provence invites you to slow down and savor its beauty. Normandy, a region of history and natural beauty. Normandy is a region steeped in history and natural beauty. Begin your journey at Mont Saint-Michel, a magical island abbey that seems to float on water during high tide. The dramatic cliffs of Etchetat offer panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean, perfect for nature lovers. Normandy is also a place to reflect as you visit the historic D-Day beaches, where Allied forces landed during World War II. Honfleur, a charming port town with colorful houses, inspired many Impressionist painters. Whether you're drawn to its history or its serene landscapes, Normandy offers a unique slice of French heritage. Our journey ends in the French Alps, a paradise for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. Mont Blanc, the highest peak in Western Europe, towers over this region. Visit Chamonix, a charming alpine town perfect for skiing, hiking, and paragliding. The French Alps are a year-round destination, offering everything from lush meadows in summer to snow-laden slopes in winter. As we bid adieu to France, we hope you've been inspired to explore its wonders. From the bustling streets of Paris to the tranquil peaks of the Alps, France truly is a traveler's dream. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible travel adventures. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.